Hey guys, what's going on? It's Sony100 and welcome back to another video on our channel. Unfortunately, we didn't have any video last week, but that is not a problem because I have something super special for me to show you guys. So, basically, a lot of you guys have been recommending that I actually pick up a good pair of headphones, so I don't need to use these Talk 2 earbuds, which I will have linked down below in the description if you guys want to go check those out. Really good quality, and they have their own splitter adapter, and so you can use two of them on one device. So you don't need to ask your friends if they want to share an earbud, they can just bring their own. So you don't need to only have one earbud in like this. Everybody can have both earbuds on their ears while jamming out to some of your favorite music. However, they're not noise canceling, so they let a lot of sound in when I'm trying to record a video, and it's just not a very good experience. So you guys decided and recommended that I pick up either a gaming headset from Razer or a just generic pair of headsets from either Sony or Bose. So, because I'm a huge Sony fan, sorry Bose, I like you too Bose, I bought Sony, okay? So, I got a pair of Sony headphones. But, first of all, I want to show you guys the, not only the box, but also the package thing that they came in. Because, basically what happened was, it was at a store, a tech store, so you needed to turn in a sheet, for, like a little, cardboard cutout thing, for them to give you the pair of headphones, because they didn't want you to, like, steal or anything. However, I will have the Amazon link and the Sony website link, both down in the description below. So, I got these bad boys, the Sony Headphones wireless and noise canceling headphones. So yeah, they're premium and they have up to 28 hours of battery life, and they're Bluetooth, they're wireless. That makes it even better for me. So yeah, that is the little cardboard cutout thing. The model, if you guys can see right there, is the WH-H900N. Yeah. I got that right. I'm super impressed with myself. But also, they've not only have the Sony and the Bluetooth, but they've also teamed up with two other companies. So they have high-resolution audio, and they have the Sony headphone app because they've paired up with Digital NC. So yeah. Also, on the back of this, there's a load of specs. So, yeah, I'm just going to go over them with you guys if you guys are really techie. They have digital noise cancellation with ambient sound mode, which lets you control what you hear. They have quick attention that turns down the music and imports ambient sound for conversation. And they have a touch panel, so you can, like, turn the volume up, turn the volume down, call someone, and they can fold. So, yeah, super cool. This is the cardboard cutout, but, we have a little problem with the box. So if you guys can see here, it's my closet. And if you guys can see right here, the box is kind of up on a ledge. And I'm going to try to get it down. Hey! Okay, so we've got the box down. But yeah, here is the Sony Headphones box. As you guys can see, it says right here, the Here-On-2 wireless noise cancelling headphones, and at the bottom it has basically everything that we went over with, but on the back it kind of gives you some more stuff. So 10-minute charges for 65 minutes of playing. Yeah, that's basically all new, and it also has another image of that touch sensor thing. So guys, the moment you guys have all been waiting for, the set of headphones. So ready? Here they are. They are super nice. Like, honestly, I cannot stress how good these headphones are. I've been using them for about 2 weeks now, and I could not have asked for any better headphones, because honestly, they are so good, and they're even compared to the Bose Quiet Comfort 2, Quiet Comfort 3, which is double the price, but for the same stuff. So, yeah, as you guys can see, we have the headphones here. If you guys look in there, you have an R for the right side, and L for the left side. So there's no confusion, you just pop them on, boop, and your headphones are on. There's a couple things I want to mention though. When you pop them on originally, the noise canceling is already in session, but it's not the maximum amount of noise canceling that you can get. Talk about more of that in a second. These headphones, super comfortable. As you guys can see, there's very high quality like cup foam here, and yeah, you can just feel how well it's made. Also up here, you have a light and ergonomic headphone band, and so it fits nicely on your head for long-term uses. You can extend the head out if you have, a bit of a wider head, but I'm a kid, so I like to usually have them at the smaller version. Also, the cups spin in and out for easy use, whether you're wearing them like this and you're walking around an airport, or you can rotate them and then put them on your ears. Also, they come with a couple other things in the box that I have to show for you guys. So they come with an aux cable. So on an airplane, when you're not allowed to have your Bluetooth stuff on, or you want to watch a movie from the airplane monitor, what you do is you get your aux cable, and you plug it in to the jack that says input right here, where my hand is. So you just plug it in there. There we go. And then you get the other side, and you can plug it in to the, whoa, sorry, my camera's like rolling around on the tripod here. Or you can plug it in to the side of your laptop, right at the input area right there. You guys can see that. Hopefully you guys can. But yeah, that's basically what the aux cable does it for. Also, there's a couple other things that come in the bag. And yeah, I'll quickly show that to you guys now too. We have the Sony carrying bag. So basically this bag is super high quality. Also, you guys can see, you won't get it mixed up if you guys have multiple pairs of headphones, as this bag says Sony right on it. Way to go with that branding, Sony. Way to go. But yeah, it's a nice drawstring bag. On Amazon, you can also get some cases for these pair of headphones. I'll leave some of those cases down in the description that are like Amazon bestsellers if you guys want to go check them out. Inside of the bag, if you guys can see, it's really cushiony and soft, and so your headphones won't be getting damaged anytime soon. So what you guys can do is you can fold it up. So when you're walking around the airport or you need to put it in your bag, you can fold it up. And the ring here kind of fits right into the cup. So it's a super lightweight design and compact, and you just put it into the carry-on bag and draw the string. And there you go, your headphones are in this bag. There's also one last thing that I need to show you guys, and it's the charging cord, because this is what you need in order to charge your items. So you can either plug in the USB charging cord into the side of your computer right here, or you can plug them into a phone charger box or like an iPad charger box. So it's like you're charging your phone or your iPad or whatever you want to charge, but you're actually charging your headphones. So it's USB to USB Mini, which is also what you charge Androids with. And yeah, you just plug it in to the charging area of your headphones, and they slide straight in. So yeah, really good. Let's talk about that touch sensor a little bit more. So in order for the touch sensor to work, you need to have your headphones on, and they need to be connected to Bluetooth. So in order to turn them on, you press the power button. And if you guys heard that, it said power on. Now you guys can see that the light shining right here next to noise canceling / ambient is green, which means it's on noise canceling. If you press it and it turns orange, that means it's on ambient. If you press it again and it's just like it's not even shining, that means that it's letting all of the noise in, and then it just keeps repeating the cycle over and over again. But if you put it on, I can't hear anything I am saying right now. I have no idea whether I'm screaming at the top of my lungs or I'm talking really quietly, because the noise canceling is just that good. So yeah. Also guys, unfortunately I'm not connected to any Bluetooth device, but because the Bluetooth device that I was connected to died. But if we follow what's said on the information thing, then on this side where there is not this N logo for the noise canceling service, on the other side where there's no logo, if you press the top like this and you just squeeze it in, then you can hear a beep and it turns the sound up. If you go down to the bottom, then you heard another beep, it turned the sound back down. So this way you fast it forward, this way you fast it backwards. And then if you go right in the middle, then it turns on Siri or latest dials your phone. I think right now we're just gonna turn them off. It says power off. So yeah, really, really nice pair of headphones. Yeah, that's pretty much all we've got with these headphones. But I have a couple other recommendations for headphones that you guys might want, because basically I originally purchased another pair of headphones before switching to these noise canceling ones. I have 2 more pairs of headphones that are hopefully going to appear on the side of the screen right about now. Nate, edit that in, please, now. Yeah, but basically they look exactly the same. I got the blue versions. You have the MDR-650 BT, which is noise isolation on ear instead of over ear like my headphones here. They're on ear, they're noise isolation. You can get them in black, blue, or red. Problem is, they don't have an aux cable, so you can't listen to them on the plane, unfortunately, which is why I ultimately switched over to these headphones. So yeah, no aux cable for them, but the price is about $100. Come on, Nate, edit that in. We also have a newer version of the MDR-650s, which is the MDR-650 BT/B or B1. Both of them are the exact same, basically. They have an aux input, and they have a bass boost, which basically gives you an extra bass. I don't really need bass, because I don't really pay attention to all of that audiophile stuff, so I decided to just not get those, but those listed on Amazon are $118. But now, for these WH-H900 headphones, the price is around $179 to $200 for noise canceling and complete over-ear headphones. So yeah, all of them are very good quality. I recommend them. Sony is a great company for audio stuff. All of those links will be in the description down below. But yeah, unfortunately guys, there's not going to be a gaming video out this weekend because unfortunately I didn't have enough time to record it. But next weekend, Aquatic Adventure Challenge series is going to be coming out for episode 2. So yeah, check into that, guys. And yeah, that's all I got for today. If you guys are really, really super interested and you guys put down below that you guys want me to do a tutorial on how to connect these headphones up to your computer, then I will do that for sure. And one last thing, I'm going to be using these for gaming because if we pull my microphone out, as you guys can see on the back, we actually have a mic headphone input thing. So we can get my aux cable, we can plug it in, and then we can plug that into our headphones. So now I can be gaming with these bad boys, and who would not want to be gaming with that pair of headphones? So yeah, so you guys can see, it's nicely plugged into the back, and I can just game like that, which is really, really good. So yeah, hopefully you'll be seeing me with these pair of headphones in the near future, probably at the end of that episode, Aquatic Adventure, in episode 2. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on those channel post notifications so you never know when you never miss when I post a video. And also, don't forget to like this video and put in #NotificationSquad for a shout out in a future video. I will see you guys all later. Bye!